It's a bit of a mess here in Düsseldorf. Sunday here, getting ready for the MEDICA 2016, where we're expecting 5,000 exhibitors from more than 68 countries, here to display all the cutting-edge medical technology and solutions to a very eager visiting audience looking to close deals and find out what's the new technology in medicine today. Starting off, we're visiting a company who's introducing ozone creation for hospital disinfection.
The bacteria are becoming more and more resistant because the population is getting older, people are also more susceptible. So you need this kind of solution to, between two patients, totally disinfect the room and reduce the risk for cross-infection.
In all honesty, what's the negative side of this?
Actually, as all like UV light and hydrogen peroxide also have some material which are not compatible. For us, it's natural rubber and nylon that should not be in the room. So
Okay.
it means that you need to remove these materials before doing the treatment.
Okay, so similar to hydrogen peroxide, but simply a different set of materials that are affected by the reactive material.
Exactly.
Okay. Treatment time, also comparable?
Yeah, so it's longer than UV light because UV light is really short.
Right.
Hydrogen peroxide it's shorter because we have this purification system where we remove our gas afterward, so you don't need to leave the room and leave the chemicals settle down. So it's faster than hydrogen peroxide.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What we are doing here is using a robot as an assistance device for biopsies, for deep tissue biopsies. We can simply look into the CT scans, find a target, click and place the needle virtually in the target. And now it tells us, okay, go 74 millimeters into the tissue. And right here, that's actually pretty simple, because I can feel when we're there. We did this just last week with some of our physicians. Took them less than 7 minutes on their first day.
On their first day using the technology.
On their first day using the technology.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
Automatic time and of course money savings through that.
Yeah.
Good to see. Here at the MEDICA, demonstrating a very important product for the future in neonatal care, something that really aids in the diagnostic process in babies that are under extreme stress. Explain a little bit about the development you're presenting here.
So it's a specially made incubator for MRI examinations on newborns and preterm born babies. And you can move the whole system into the MR room, and that's very special because it's non-magnetic and it's safe for the baby. So you save time and money with the system, and it's very stressless for everybody.
Sleep disorders, especially sleep apnea, become very prevalent. Everybody has heard about them in the past, let's say 10 years. Also solutions to that, products like leaves on trees. What is specific about your product? How is it best positioned to help patients?
We have our snore sensor, SL70. Yeah, it's a little product you can put on the ear and go to bed, sleep, and then when you snore, yeah, the product knows the difference of a deep breath or a snore, and then gives a little signal to the ear, like a sound or like a vibration, and tells your body switch the position you're snoring.
In addition to other lifestyle diseases like diabetes, towards later stages in life, falls are an incredibly time and resource consuming part of healthcare delivery. With Philips, you've come up with a system to help mitigate this problem. Explain a little bit the background and the solution.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. So basically we have a personal emergency response system. So already on the market in North America, now we're bringing it to Europe. And the innovation here is that we have a fall detector integrated. So basically the device can automatically send an alert if a fall is detected. And that way a person can be helped while lying on the floor. Furthermore, we use the data that's collected by the personal emergency response systems to not only predict falls, but also to predict hospitalizations. So basically, the device is worn, and with the data that's collected anyway, we can basically predict if a fall is going to happen or is very likely to happen within the next couple of weeks or months. And with that information in mind, issues can be removed from the person's home or basically Tai Chi could be recommended for the person to gain more security with moving around.
You can find this and much more at this year's show. We very much look forward to welcoming you to the MEDICA 2016.